Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel, Cooking for the Family. I'm Dyvonne, and today I'm going to share with you this awesome and quick baked bean recipe. This recipe was shared with me by my niece's husband. They come out quick, and this is one of my go-tos now. I'm using one 28-ounce can of original Bush's baked beans, and then to that I'm going to add one 28-ounce can of the maple and cured bacon baked beans. Now this is enough to serve about a dozen people, but if you're serving a larger crowd than that, you want to definitely double up on the recipe. Now once you have your original baked beans and your maple and cured bacon baked beans together in the bowl, then you want to add a half a cup of ketchup. I'm using Heinz, but you can use whatever brand you happen to have on hand. Then next to that, I'm adding in a half a cup of light brown sugar, and you want to make sure that you've packed your light brown sugar into your measuring cup. Once you have your ketchup, your two different kind of baked beans, and your light brown sugar in your bowl, you want to go ahead, give it a good mix until you have no streaks of ketchup and your brown sugar has started to dissolve and mix well with the beans. Then I'm going to take my 13x9 casserole dish. Now my dish is non-stick, but if you're using one of the silver foil pans to bake your beans, or a pan that's not non-stick, you want to definitely spray first with some cooking spray. Now if you are enjoying this easy recipe so far, don't forget to show it some love. Next, you want to use 2 to 3 pieces of bacon that you have cooked nice and crisp. Go ahead and break them up and sprinkle them on top. I'll have a list of ingredients in the description box or caption below. You want to tightly cover your pan with foil, and we're going to bake our beans at 350 degrees. We're going to bake them for 30 to 40 minutes till they're nice, hot, and bubbly. Well, these are our baked beans, ready for the picnic, cookout, or backyard barbecue. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and follow for more.